What does it mean to engage with your customers?
Well, engaging your customers is not a new concept. It's something we've been doing for years as mechanical workshops, and it's something we do at Repco. It's about understanding customer needs and making sure that we're actually delivering on that. I coined the phrase, love your customer. And when I say that, what I mean is it's important to make sure that your customer feels like they're a guest when they're in your workshop.
So when you say you love your customer, you're genuine about that, and it needs to be portrayed as being genuine.
Absolutely. You're not inviting them around for Sunday dinner, but they absolutely need to feel like they're part of your family and your workshop.
So if I can personalise this, I only see my mechanic 2 or 3 times a year for whatever reason. What about the times in between those visits?
Yeah, look, retaining a customer is so much easier than actually bringing a new one through your front door. And keeping top of mind and connected with your customer between those visits is really, really important. But what's more powerful is to make sure that you're connecting with them with stuff that matters. You know, humanizing your connection is what's important. So it's pointless just flacking them a text going, hey, we're still a person you deal with every now and again. But reaching out and saying, hey, here's some winter tips, or it's rained recently, pop by for a free wiper blade upgrade, or maybe we'll change them out for a reduced rate, or whatever special you want to run. But creating value in that messaging and making sure that when you do engage, you're creating a compelling reason for them to come back. That's what pays the bills.
What about the balance between overdoing it but not doing it enough? How do you work through that?